Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we've got McDonald's. We've got Aslan here with me. Literally everyone was requesting they want Aslan in the video. They miss Aslan, so he's here in the video. So say hello to everybody, Aslan. Everyone missed you.
Hello.
Okay, so what we got here today, Aslan's favourite. This is the only food, takeaway food that he...
My favourite is McDonald's.
Yes. And what have you got? Tell everybody what you got.
I got McDonald's everything.
And what drink do you have?
Purple berry juice.
Fruit shoot. Okay, and then he's got a toy. What toy did you get? Open it and show everybody. I've got a double cheeseburger, and then I've got this 20 nugget box to share with Aslan, and I've got medium fries. And we've got sauces. We've got sweet and sour sauce and ketchup.
I wonder what's that. Is it a cow? Look what this is.
Oh, that's so
penguin.
cute. What is that? Is that a penguin? That's not a penguin.
It's a chicken.
I think it's a bird. I don't know what bird though. This is what Aslan got.
A bird.
It's got little wings. Yeah, okay, let's eat. Let's eat. Come on. Can you reach that? You got nuggets in there as well. I just got this extra because I know you love chicken nuggets, so we could just share
And
it.
then I like some
Ketchup.
tomato ketchup. I like tomato ketchup.
He loves tomato ketchup.
But Anna, look, it's a baby bird.
Ah, okay, come on, start eating.
Okay.
I'm going to ask some questions to Aslan, just like random questions. How do you eat on them?
Yeah.
There's chips there as well, huh? Chicken nugget. Mmm.
I told you ketchup was nice.
I do like a bit of ketchup. Where's your drink here? I'm back. So me and Aslan are in pyjamas. Aslan's wearing Mickey Mouse pyjamas. His pyjamas are from Zara if anyone is interested. And I'm wearing pyjamas. These are from Primark. They're so soft. I can't even tell you. Do you want me to put your chicken nuggets in here?
There's only 2.
There's 4. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? I got a double cheeseburger.
I want double cheeseburger.
So Aslan actually started to eat double cheeseburgers. He doesn't eat the cheeseburgers, but he eats double cheeseburgers. Just like his mummy. Mmm. 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 No, that is nice. So we're literally in lockdown. Like the whole of UK. They said 2021 was going to be better. Same as 2020. Yeah.
Well, now we pretended that we're sitting at McDonald's.
You just said that we pretended that we're sitting in McDonald's. Ah, you miss sitting in McDonald's, don't you? Don't worry, when it opens and everything's safe, then we can go and sit in McDonald's and eat, okay?
So we have to be safe, so we sit at McDonald's at home.
We have to pretend, don't we? So, I'm going to ask you some questions.
What is it?
Want another bite? Okay. You guys can't even see the nuggets. Oh, there's chips here. Yummy.
Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
I don't want to rip the box because Aslan's going to have some for later. Isn't it? Where you going, mate?
See?
Oh, he's going to check on his sister. Why did I just eat his chip? I ain't gonna lie. The chips are looking dry, but they don't actually taste dry, but they're looking dry.
Quick! Yum, let quick, and then the plate dropped.
Yasmin's eating crisps, baby crisps. They're the vegetable ones. Mmm. Aslan!
I'm coming. Sorry for being late, everybody.
Well, was you working?
I was working to see Yasmin, so she left. 2 clips all dropped.
Oh. Okay, so I'm going to ask you some questions, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready? How old are you?
4.
Good one. What's your name?
Aslan.
Nice. What's your favourite colour?
Why?
Red. Okay.
I don't know your number.
Who's your favourite? Anne or Baba?
Anne.
Oh shit! Aslan! Am I your favourite? So how comes when we ask Baba, when Baba's there and I say to you, who's your favourite, Anne or Baba? You say Anne and Baba. And now you're saying Anne just because Baba's not here. So am I your favourite? Yeah, nudge, nudge. Yeah, let's knock it as well. Nudge it and knock it. Okay, what else should I ask you?
Nudge it and look it.
Nudge it and lock it.
You have to do everybody.
I don't know what to ask you. What's your favourite? PJ Mask or...
Are you talking about toys?
Yeah, PJ Mask or Paw Patrol?
PJ Master, PJ Master, PJ Master, PJ Master. My favourite is PJ Mask toys.
Okay. Well, you got a lot of Paw Patrol toys for Christmas. Because you wanted Paw Patrol, you said.
That's what
I don't even have a drink.
You can say.
I don't like that juice.
I like it.
I know. Here.
Like it. It's nice. See? It's nice.
Why are you not eating that?
I know.
Here's darling.
We can share with it.
Aww.
Share. Good. Cheeseburger. Let's double.
What's your favourite fruit?
Banana and orange.
Really?
Yes. Good banana.
I thought your favourite was strawberries.
My one is strawberry and too.
So you like basically everything, but which one's your favourite one?
Strawberries.
I knew it, because you always ask for strawberries. And the only time he has a banana or like an apple is when it's bedtime. He just, because he doesn't want to go to bed, so he's like, I'm hungry, I want a banana. Just so he can sit up that little 10 minutes more. But yeah, that's your favourite fruit, strawberry. What's your favourite food?
Strawberry.
No, not fruit, food.
Food.
Yeah.
I don't know. Roast beef.
Roast beef?
Dinner. Roast beef dinner.
Oh. You're lying. Why are you lying?
I'm not. No, I'm not.
I thought your favourite dinner was McDonald's. I thought your favourite dinner was McDonald's.
You should.
But you just said roast beef.
Okay, it's McDonald's.
Oh my god. I eat your chips as well.
Ow. I bite my finger. That's joking. That's joking. I did bite my finger.
Let's both eat this. Hey! I'm getting full, you know.
I'm not. I'm so hungry. No? Doctor, you eat.
Okay, I'm just gonna have
What?
holy moly.
What is it?
What do you say?
Pardon me.
I'm gonna have one more chicken nugget. I'm not gonna have no more. That's all yours.
And then you watch me. That was a lot of Greek. So I did.
What else should I ask you? Do you like, this is random, but do you like to wear trainers or your rain boots? Which one you like to wear?
Me?
Huh?
Me?
Yeah.
Rain boots.
What else? Oh, good for.
And then the bullshit baby aliens.
Oh, baby aliens.
And Dad aliens to look after them. But they don't want the daddy to look after them. They want Lucy Morphle to look after them.
Did he eat my ketchup?
Is that Baba?
Just talk and eat.
Hiya.
So I just got myself water firstly. Let's say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Okay, let's say please don't forget to give me a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys all enjoyed our video together, me and Asla baby. And yeah, say to everybody, don't forget to like the video.
Don't forget to like the video.
See you later.
See you later. Bye bye.